Alright guys, today I'm going to go ahead and replace the hood latch on my 1999 Dodge Ram 1500, and hopefully I do it right. Stay tuned. Relatively easy, 10mm socket. You're going to be good to go. This is what the part looked like. Cost me about $14. Go ahead, like, subscribe, comment. Have any questions, I'll try to help you out and answer them as best as I can. Alright, so you're going to take a 10mm socket and you're going to remove both screws. Alright, use a little screwdriver there. Very easy. Very easy. Alright, thread it through. Push it in. Hopefully it goes in easy. Yep, sure did. Nice and easy. Trying to line it up with the original location. Alright. Okay. Moment of truth. Yes, okay, it locked. That sounded like a release. Perfect. Perfect. Alrighty, so there you go. Look, it only took a 10mm socket and a screwdriver just to pry out the cable, and it was done. Took me less than 30 seconds. Alrighty, hey, thank you very much for watching. Please go ahead, like, subscribe, comment. If you have any questions, leave them below. Try to help you out as best I can. Take care. Thank you very much for watching.